two popular website builders, Zyro and Jimdo, go head to head. Which one really delivers? On one side, we have Zyro, fast, modern, and packed with features. On the other, Jimdo, straightforward, beginner-friendly, and trusted by millions. We'll put both platforms to the test in real-world scenarios, covering ease of use, customization, design options, pricing, and more. Forget the flashy marketing. Let's focus on what actually matters for building your site. Both contenders will earn points in each category, and at the end, you'll see a clear winner. The outcome might just surprise you. Let's get into it, great ears. Alright, here's what we're comparing today. Price, ease of use, design and templates, e-commerce, multilingual and localization, features and integrations, and finally, customer support. Let's dig in, category by category. First up, let's talk price. So, Zyro seriously comes in low here. I mean, their starting prices are almost suspiciously affordable and they throw around discounts like candy. But, small catch, the cheapest plan, honestly, feels a bit stripped down in features. Now, Jimdo swings in with a free plan, which, honestly, is clutch if you just want to mess around before committing. And, dude, no transaction fees is rare. Downside, if you want to actually sell stuff, the paid plans get a little steep for e-commerce. Overall, Zyro edges out as the better deal for most. So yeah, Zyro edges out as the better deal for most. So yeah, Zyro takes this round. On to ease of use. Zyro's editor is totally user-friendly. You point, you click, it just works, and their AI builder is lightning fast if you want a site, like yesterday. The thing is, once you try to tweak things more deeply, yeah, it gets a bit basic. Now, with Jimdo, setup is ridiculously simple. Like, you could be up and running before you even finish your coffee. But, and here's the trade-off, it's not super flexible for advanced design nerds. Simplicity is king here, and honestly, Jimdo nails it. Jimdo's our ease of use winner. Alright, let's chat design and templates. This is where Zyro flexes with those modern, really sharp-looking templates, totally responsive too, so they look clean on any device. My gripe? You can't get super creative with customizing layouts. Now, Jimdo isn't too far behind. They've got these clean, minimal templates, and their smart color matcher actually picks up your vibe. But some of the layouts just scream 2015. If you want that fresh trend-forward look, Zyro clearly leads this one. Hey, quick fact, did you know Zyro's AI can whip up both text and images for your website? It's like having a robot helper speeding up your whole build process. How cool is that? Now, e-commerce. What if you want to sell something? Zyro includes a store on every paid plan, which is honestly such a nice touch, and they handle multiple currencies with no fuss. The downside? It's missing a few of those advanced tools that big online stores want. Over to Jimdo. There's no sales commission, which is always a win, and product setup is maybe the fastest I've seen. But honestly, there aren't as many options if you want to scale, and you're limited on payment gateways. Bottom line, if you're starting small, Zyro has you covered here. Alright, next, multilingual and localization. So Zyro technically lets you do a multilingual site, but it's more of a workaround than a real feature. No native support, and it shows. Jimdo, on the other hand, totally shines. You've got legit full multi-language support and even some geo-targeted stuff if you want to get fancy. There's a little learning to do with advanced settings, but let's be real. Jimdo clearly wins for multilingual needs. Let's move into features and integrations. Zyro actually packs a punch. AI tools for content, built-in marketing stuff, Unsplash image integration. But right now, no app marketplace, so if you want to keep adding cool widgets, you're kind of stuck. Jimdo's got the basics, SEO tools, appointment bookings, which are nice, but there's not much in terms of third-party stuff. For what you get out of the box, Zyro takes it. Last up, customer support. Zyro is there for you 24/7 via email or live chat, and honestly, that's such a relief if you're working late. The help guides are actually pretty legit too. Only thing missing is phone support. Now, Jimdo has a functional help center and decent email support, but if you want real-time help, yeah, no live chat here. Zyro is just more on the ball if you actually need help fast. If we map these categories out, you'll see Zyro dominating with pricing, design, e-commerce, features, and support. Jimdo takes the win for ease of use and especially multilingual. Overall, though, you can see the strengths play out depending on your needs. So, bottom line, if you're on a budget, want to launch fast, and need solid design and features baked right in, Zyro just makes sense. But if you know you'll need multiple languages or just want the absolute easiest setup, Jimdo is tough to beat. Depends what you're after. If this helped clear things up, stick around for more web builder breakdowns and guides. We've got tons more comparisons coming your